One of the most frequently asked questions that I get in the clinic is, what's new, doctor? What's the latest thing? What should I be doing that everyone else is doing? What are we missing out on? Well, that opens up a whole new grey area, and there are all sorts of things on the market that probably haven't been tested, haven't been published, and haven't been peer-reviewed, where there isn't completely explicable evidence of how they work and the fact that they do work, which often make one wonder how many of these new products and these new treatments amount to no more than snake oil. Now, one of the things that's been around for a while, in various forms and with various techniques offering it, are stem cells. Now, a stem cell isn't just a stem cell. Stem cells are derived and originate in different places and from different materials and from different species. Stem cells have the ability to message with messenger RNA, proteins, other cells, and give them signals which are applicable to where they were sourced. As such, you would want to use young stem cells that are derived from primitive tissue that are carrying lots of potential for growth, rejuvenation, and stimulation of the areas of tissue that you wish to attend to. So what we do know is that mesenchymal derived stem cells from young tissue is far more effective in its messaging than older stem cells and stem cells derived from older tissue, less primitive tissue. You wouldn't want to be treated with stem cells from a 70-year-old if you're trying to rejuvenate your skin. What we do know is that stem cells derived from Wharton's jelly in the umbilical cord of a fetus is the most potent and active stem cell that there is. However, it's not particularly ethical running around collecting that sort of product, and therefore, as a procedure, it's banned both in South Africa and in many countries in the world. As a result, people have moved to using stem cells that are derived from things like rose petals, wheat, and all sorts of other plant products. These products are available across the board, even in health shops these days, and every salon and every corner is offering stem cell treatment. What we do know is that exosomes are one of the primary secretory products that most efficiently transport message and RNA, proteins and signals from cell to cell. Exosomes are tiny little vesicles, little blisters that break off cells containing mitochondrial messengers and proteins, and they travel to other cells where they're incorporated into the cell and deliver these signals. Nanobiotechnology gives us the ability to replicate biological structures exactly as the original product. So banked Wharton's jelly can be used to produce, through these technological processes, non-human, synthetic, mesenchymal-derived stem cells that are extremely potent. These we do know from our biological observation to show very significant effect in many treatments, in the anti-aging process of skin, the rejuvenation of skin, the treatment of scar in particular, acne scarring, pigmentation, and healthy, youthful skin. At SAI, we offer exosome treatments from banked Wharton's jelly, mesenchymal-derived stem cells, and I think that my advice to you is wherever you go for treatment, you should ask how these stem cells and these exosome delivery systems are derived, whether they're derived from plants or other animals or from humans, and these are to be avoided, in my opinion. And what one really needs to do is stick to what is likely to give you the best results at this time. It's a new area, there's lots of science going on, there's a lot we don't know about it. But what I do know is that what we are using is safe, it's ethical, it's not cheap, but we wouldn't be doing it if we weren't seeing effect, which we are. The clinical trials and studies have to follow, and we will certainly be reading these, following up on them, discussing them internationally, and bringing you the best results.